Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about SIP and how 5000 rupees a month can turn into 1.76 crore rupees in 30 years. Let's get into it. Meet Priya, fresh out of college, first job, 40,000 rupees first salary, and she made herself a promise 5,000 rupees every single month straight into savings. Simple plan, easy, right? 20 days later, Priya checks her bank account. 5,000 rupees gone. Zomato, Amazon, coffee every day, 3 OTT subscriptions. Each one felt small, totally reasonable, but together 5,000 rupees vanished and the savings plan also vanished. That's when Anjali walked over. 5 years at the same company, always calm, never stressed about money. She had seen this exact problem before in herself, and she had one thing to show Priya. Anjali asks one question. What if that 5,000 rupees, the money disappearing every month, what if it worked for you instead? Not sitting in a savings account at 3.5%, actually growing every single month. Anjali pulls up the SIP calculator. 5,000 rupees a month, Nifty 50 fund, 12% average yearly returns. After 10 years, 11.6 lakhs rupees. After 20 years, 49.9 lakh rupees. After 30 years, 1.76 crore rupees. You put in 18 lakh rupees total, you get back 1.76 crore rupees. That is the power of compounding. 30 years later, same 5,000 rupees every month, same discipline. Rahul put into his savings account 34 lakh rupees. Priya put it to SIP 1.76 crore rupees. 5 times more money. The only difference where the money went each month. That same night, Priya opens Groww Nifty 50 Index Fund. 5,000 rupees auto debit on the second. Done. It just took 8 minutes. After that, zero effort. Every month, automatically, that 5,000 rupees goes to work, rain or shine. Priya is now 55. She never missed a single SIP. The Zomato order still happened. The Amazon buy still happened. She just made sure 5,000 rupees went somewhere useful first. That 5-minute conversation with Anjali. 5 minutes. The impact a lifetime. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.